I got a project that I'm working on that may help somebody out about Lifepos. And a company has gotten with me. They want me to share my opinion, and if and when the battery does come, I have something prepared. So let me show you what I'm doing. I'm going to be listening to music while I work. YouTube don't love music unless it's YouTube music. This is the area of my interests. I moved my boards over. I could put a 6-inch board there. I have the battery, not from the company, but a Lifepo battery to take my measurements. And it fits right in there perfectly. But I want to bring it further back over here and leave myself some room in the back wall and the front wall. So I'm taking a piece of wood, I'm cutting it, it's over there. And I am going to take this and bring it out as far as I can so I can put not just one battery, but 2 batteries, like here. So I'm going to have to come somewhere about here and this width, so it doesn't take away my garbage area. This is what I got so far with one Lifepo battery. They're not heavy, they're light, and they can slide in all the way in. I could put 2 here. I need to close this up now and close the top. This is closed and this is not. So there I am. I'm pretty well set, ready to go. What I have to do: insulate the wall, insulate here, insulate underneath if I want. I'm good to go. I'm all done. I put this here as leverage, so this way when I want to lift the top off and the whole side, I got to grab it. I'm able to get in, put the cover back on, smack it into place, put a couple of screws in it. I'm good to go. There you have it. All the batteries will be in there safely. Drain area, insulated, whatever you like. It's all done. Hope you enjoyed the project. With all the trash cans and the structures, you know, your beautiful structures. Everything's in its way nicely.